everyone. Since po wala po yung father, kahit ako na po yung coach namin. And ang basic name namin is Saint John of Mark. And I am Maris Hartley. I am carrying Maris Hartley G. Dharma, father of the BEC, but one who will check everyone in the different activities and training session. And ang favorite Bible verse ko is Exodus 14, 14, which is God will fight for you, you need only to be still. And additional ladies po about me is I'm from Makati, caring, and medyo po nahihirapan po ako mag-communicate sa mga klase ko na minsan. Pasensya na po kung minsan awkward po ako mag-interaction. And ito na po si Francis.
Hello everyone. I am Persevering Francine Erica Barba. I am the sister of the BEC. So my role is to serve as the prayer warrior and prepares the creative opening and closing prayer in class. So for my Bible verse is the famous line from Proverbs chapter 19, verse 21, which is, "Many are the plans in the man's heart, but it is the Lord's purpose that prevails." And then, additional info about me is I'm from Taguig City and I am pursuing the Accounting Information System course. I am persevering as what my name comes with, and resilient as a student who doesn't give up easily. Let's praise.
Hi everyone. I am Time Prince Karna, brother of the BEC, will serve as man to prepare materials for the BEC. And my favorite Bible verse is Philippians 2 verse 3, which encourages believers to approach life with humanity and prioritize others. And my additional info is I am from Imus Cavite and I am a student at Ilinar School.
I'm Monkey Curtina and I'm also a brother of the number base group. So, we'll serve as our friends materials for their needs. So, ang Bible verse ko po is Philippians 4:13 po. Which is ang put it is I can do all things